Today I'm going to be unboxing these ghost decorations. The company actually reached out to me so I could go ahead and do a review. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the box. We're going to go ahead and put them together and then we're going to test out the quality, see what they look like. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box and check them out. Opening up the box, just be careful. You can see everything comes neatly packaged in here. This is some hard plastic. These are going to be the little ghost heads. So it does come with some LED string lights, also a remote control that you can go ahead and control the lighting. Now let me go ahead and flip it over. This is what the little boxes look like. They do require batteries. I do not believe the batteries are included, but let me go ahead and continue looking in the box and I'll let you know. So these little ghosts, you actually get to decorate them yourself. So these are like the little eyeballs. I believe it has like a little tongue. It has a little smiley face. So it just depends how you want to decorate your little ghosts. So they are in here. It's like a felt-like material. There's some safety pins, zip ties, stakes. So you could go ahead and put them in the ground. Make sure that they don't fly away. I'm not sure what this is. So these are the little hats. You can go ahead and put on the ghost. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up. As you can see, it is folded in the box. You just have to unfold it. So two little hats are actually pretty big. As you can see, I have it on my head and it fits. So, all right. And then you get two of these tripods. So I'm assuming this is where you're going to go ahead and put the little ghost heads on. So that's pretty cool. You get two of these. You get your instructions. So we'll be definitely needing those just to know how to put it together, but it looks pretty simple. The stickers, the ball for the head, and then just go ahead and put them together on the tripod and then operate the remote control to turn them on. So it does not look like the batteries are included, so you will be needing some batteries. So you will need a AA battery. So make sure you get some AA batteries for this. And then last but not least, you get the fabric that goes over them. Let me take it out. Kind of looks like a tablecloth. If I'm being honest, it is actually pretty thick. Let me see. So it's just like a regular fabric. And then these are going to go ahead and go over your tripod and the little head. So they kind of like drape over the top of the head. So let's go ahead and put it together. I'm going to show you the little face. We're going to go ahead and add all of that, and then we're going to see the finished product. All right, so this is what you get. You get the little hat, you get the two tripods, the little stickers for the face, you get the two sets of lights, you get the items to go ahead and make sure to put them together, you get the two little heads, and then you get the material. So let's go ahead now and put these together. I'm going to go ahead and put the tripod in through the hole. Then you want to go ahead and use this to make sure it's nice and secure. So once you have that all screwed in, you want to go ahead and add this now to your top. You want to just snap that into place. Okay, now you want to repeat that with the other one. All right, and this part is super simple. You just simply drape it over the balls on the top. This is where the fun part begins. You can go ahead and personalize your little ghost. And to do this, it is super simple. You just want to go ahead and peel the back part right there. That's going to go ahead and be the sticky part that's going to stick to your ghost. So I think this is such a fun activity to do with your kids. What you want to do is just grab it and then remove that. Now this part right here is super fun. This is just an additional attachment to go ahead and put the little tongue out of the ghost. This is what the lights look like. Little small lights you could go ahead and attach to the inside underneath the little ghost. I went ahead and put some batteries in the little lights. So now I'm using the remote control to go ahead and turn them on and change the different settings on the lights. So the great thing about these is that you could control each ghost individually, turn them on, change the modes. As you can see here, there is a total of 8 different modes. This is so easy to do, just a simple touch of a button and you got a different mode. Selecting the lighting mode was definitely my favorite part. Once you have your favorite lighting mode, you are good to go. These are super cute and they actually came to life. Once I added the lights on them, you could definitely see that they changed. They made them a lot more funner, brighter. So if you're looking for some Halloween decorations or just decorations, or maybe something that you could do with the family, something for fun, I would highly recommend. They're so cute, so adorable, and they're super easy to put together.